Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Infinit Nikki for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Infinit Nikki for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Infinit Nikki, since that's where we will download the game. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download Infinit Nikki on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download options right here. And here on the download options, you will be able to see that you can download Infinit Nikki on some popular platforms like Steam and Epic Games Launcher. So if you have any of those, you can just click that to download the game on those platforms. But if you don't have any of it, just click this Windows download option right here. And after clicking it, your Infinit Nikki game launcher will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the game launcher. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So here, you just need to check this agreement box to agree to their terms and service policy, and then you can now click the install button after that. And now that the game launcher was installed, you can now finally install the actual game by clicking this download button right here. And then right here, the game launcher will show you the location where the Infinit Nikki installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this icon and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click the OK button. And after that, there you go guys. The game will now start installing. The final installation process might take some time since the game's size is kinda big, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.